To extend the Zoom meeting time limit, follow these steps. First, understand that Zoom has a 40-minute time limit for basic accounts. But you can extend this time by upgrading to a paid account or using a workaround. Start by logging into your Zoom account and clicking on the account profile picture. Then select Account Settings. In the Account Settings, click on the Meeting tab and look for the meeting time limit. If you have a basic account, you will see that the meeting time limit is 40 minutes. To extend this time, you can upgrade to a Pro account, which allows for 24 hours of meeting time. To do this, click on the Upgrade button on the Account Settings page and follow the prompts to select a paid plan. Another option is to use the Zoom Meeting Extension feature, which allows you to extend a meeting by 10 minutes at a time. To do this, start a meeting and click on the Participants tab. Then select the Extend Meeting option. Best practice is to plan your meetings in advance and consider the time limit when scheduling. If you need to extend a meeting, make sure to give participants notice so they can adjust their schedules accordingly. In summary, extending the Zoom meeting time limit is a straightforward process that can be done by upgrading to a paid account or using the meeting extension feature. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Zoom meetings and ensure they run smoothly.